In today's video, I am going to teach you how to close a trade in TradingView. Whether you are taking profits, cutting risk, or finishing a planned setup, closing a trade in TradingView is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process on the chart, explain what each area shows, and point out a few helpful checks so you can exit confidently. Start by opening your chart. Make sure you are looking at the same instrument where your position is active, such as the exact ticker or symbol you traded. The time frame on the chart doesn't affect the closing process, so use whichever view you prefer. What matters is that you are on the right market and ready to access the trading controls. At the bottom of the chart, open the trading panel. This is the hub for account activity in TradingView. It aggregates what's happening with your connected broker or paper account, including open positions, working orders, and overall metrics. If the panel is minimized, expand it so you can clearly see the available tabs and the data beneath your chart. Inside the trading panel, switch to the Positions tab. This tab lists your active trades in a simple table with key details like the instrument, symbol, position size, average entry price, and current profit or loss. It's different from the Orders tab, which shows pending or working orders, and the History tab, which shows completed activity. Now, locate your active trade in that positions list. Take a moment to verify the symbol and quantity match the trade you intend to close. If you have multiple open positions, that quick check helps ensure you are exiting the correct one. When you are ready, click the X button next to the position. The X is the one-click command to close the entire position at the market. Because it's designed for speed, only click it once you've confirmed you are on the right trade. If a confirmation prompt appears, review the details and confirm the closure. This safeguard helps prevent accidental exits. Once confirmed, TradingView sends the close instruction to your connected broker or paper account for immediate execution. After the trade closes, the position disappears from the Positions tab, and your realized profit or loss updates accordingly. You may also see a small notification and a marker on the chart indicating the exit. If the list doesn't update right away, give it a moment to refresh and verify that the position is no longer shown. That's the full flow. Thanks for watching.